What if you could create your own galaxy using just Python? Right now, what you are seeing on your screen is not a video from NASA. It's a real-time space simulation I built from scratch. Watch closely. This is a rotating galaxy powered by mathematical motion. At the center, a glowing sun, and around it, multiple planets orbiting dynamically. But here is where it gets crazy. You can actually interact with the universe. Click anywhere and stars are born. Control the speed, zoom in and out. Just like exploring space. And wait for it, there goes a shooting star. And at the core, a black hole effect bending everything around it. All of this built using pure Python. And this is just the beginning. So now let's go. Create the new Python file. The project name is Interactive Galactic and Solar System Simulator. First of all, import all libraries. First, we set up our simulation space, a clean square canvas just like the universe itself, and to make it feel like deep space, we turn everything completely black because in space, darkness is the perfect background for light to shine. Now next, we bring the universe of life by generating hundreds of random stars across the screen. Each tiny white dot you see is placed using randomness, just like real stars scattered across space. And suddenly, the empty void starts to feel alive. Now comes the most exciting part, the galaxy. We generate hundreds of points using mathematical spirals, formatting the structure of a rotating galaxy. Each point follows a curved path, slowly building that beautiful swirl effect. And this is where space starts to feel truly magical. Now, at the center of everything, we place the sun, a bright, glowing core that becomes the heart of our system. This is what all motion revolves around, just like in our real solar system. From here, everything begins to orbit. Now let's add the planets. Each one is unique with its own size, color, speed and distance from the sun. Some move fast, some move slow, creating a realistic orbital system. And together they bring balance and motion to our mini universe. Now we bring those planets to life. We create visual objects for his own, ready to move, orbit, and animate in real time. Right now they are invisible, but in the next step they will start their journey around the sun. And to make things even more dynamic, we add a shooting star. Right now it's just a path waiting to be drawn, but soon it will streak across the sky, adding that magical cinematic touch to our universe. But this is not just a visual, it's interactive. With simple keyboard controls, you can zoom in, zoom out easily, and even control the speed of the entire universe. So now you are not just watching space, you are controlling it easily. And here is where it gets even color. With just a click, you can create your own stars anywhere on the screen. Every click adds new light to the universe. So now you are not just controlling space, you are actually building it. And now everything comes to life with every frame. The universe updates itself, moving, rotating, evolving in real time. A single variable controls it all, driving the motion of planets, galaxy, and everything you see. This is where code turns into a living universe. And now the black hole effect was closely everything begins to twist and bend. Using mathematical motion, we create a swirling force that pulls the galaxy inward. This is what gives our universe that powerful gravity like distortion, just like a real black hole in space. And now the planets begin their journey. Each one follows its own orbit, circling the sun with unique speed and distance. Some moves faster, some slower, creating a smooth and realistic motion. This is where our solar system truly comes alive. And just when you think it's done, a shooting star appears. It flashes across the sky, fast, bright, and fleeting, created step by step, frame by frame, adding that cinematic magic to our universe. A small detail, but it makes everything feel real. And finally, the camera is in your control. With dynamic zoom, you can dive deep into the galaxy or pull back to see the entire universe, everything adjusts in real time, giving you the feeling of exploring space itself. This is not just animation, it's an experience. And now we remove all the boundaries, no axis, no limits, just pure space. We start the animation and everything begins to move together in perfect harmony from still code to a living, breathing universe right on your screen. We can see everything is okay. So now let's run the program. Okay, output is showing perfectly. Source code link is in the description box. Thanks for watching this video.